Sling TV displaying issues on your Chromecast? Before you give up on movie night, try these quick fixes to get streaming again. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are troubleshooting the issue Sling TV not working on Chromecast. Whether it's buffering, crashing or not casting at all, we have got simple solutions that actually work. Let's get started. Method 1. Clear app cache. When Sling TV app is not working on Chromecast, the first thing you can do is clear app cache. Over time, apps store temporary data that can become corrupted. Clearing cache can resolve errors and restore the app to work properly. Here is how you can clear app cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Select the apps that's not working. Here we are showing this method with the SCP app. The steps are the same for Sling TV and choose Force Restore. Next, select Clear Cache. Make sure not to choose clearing data as this will sign you out of your account. After clearing the app cache, select Open and see if the app is opening now. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If an app is still not working, reinstalling can help replace any corrupt files or incomplete updates. Go to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Select the specific app and choose Uninstall. Open the Google Play Store, find the app and reinstall it. Method 3. Check the storage space. When your Chromecast runs low on storage, it can cause apps to crash or fail to load. Clearing space improves performance stability. Go to Settings, then System and then Storage. Uninstall app or delete unused media to free up space. You can also plug in external storage via a USB-C hub. Method 4. Check the internet connection. Most apps require a stable internet connection. Poor or intermittent Wi-Fi can prevent apps from loading content or functioning properly. Go to Settings, then select Network and Internet. Make sure Chromecast is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Test internet speed on another device and restart your router if needed. Method 5. Check for system updates. System software updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements that affect how apps behave. Go to Settings, then System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart the Chromecast after updating. Method 6. Disable VPN or proxy services. VPNs and proxies can interfere with app access, especially streaming apps that require region-specific licensing. If using a VPN or proxy, go to the app or router settings and disable it. Restart your Chromecast and try the app given and appear again. Method 7. Factory reset the device. If all else fails, a factory reset clears all data, settings and apps, giving you a clean slate. This often resolves persistent or untraceable issues. Go to Settings, then System, then About, then Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts. Alternatively, press and hold the physical reset button on the device for 10 seconds until the LED blinks. Method 8. Contact app or Google support. If Sling TV still doesn't work, there are many issues with the app itself that can happen on your hardware. Official support can help you identify deeper issues or offer replacement options. Visit the app developer support site or Google Chromecast help. And there you go. Sling TV should now be up and running on your channel. If this helped solve your problem, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech tips. Got a different streaming issue or a question? Drop it in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will be seeing you in the next one.